I don't want to do that, but still,
Sorry?
I don't want to do that. But
You don't want
still,
to?
I don't want to repeat, s- like when I'm in meditation, I don't want to do that. Like instructing step by step things like do this after this. But still, the same thing keeps happening. Like, I, example now, let's breathe, concentrate on the breathe, how it's moving. So, all these things that I'm saying now, it happens like without saying it, like it repeats by itself.
Yeah.
And
It's okay. Be with yourself, you know. Have lot of compassion for yourself and your design, your pattern. Everybody's designed in a certain way.
okay,
Know your design and be okay with it. Whatever it is, be okay with it. Be in acceptance.
okay, all right, yeah,
Don't try to change yourself too much. Automatically, the change will happen.
okay,
Be in acceptance. Accept yourself the way you are. You are designed in this way only.
okay,
So accept that your design. Your patterns are unique to you. They are not bad or wrong. They are your patterns. So you will be like this.
okay,
Then there is nothing wrong with that.
right,
Accept your uniqueness.
okay, okay. I would try and experience for some days first, and then I will see how it goes. I will just observe and try. Yeah.
Anything else?
No, no more questions.
Okay, then have a nice evening.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks so much. Thank
Bye.
you so much. Have a good day. Bye.
Thank you.
Grateful to you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.